sanibonani izintombi emakhaya, boma, bobaba, and everybody who's watching. Igama lami uLwandlekazi Nqala. I am Ichichi with team Assemble. So today, Sine Committee Lama Assemble, and they're going to be departing some of their lessons that abawafundile la kule team le. Njengoba sewosisi ba ngaphandle kwendeni yethu, right? So sinenduna yethu iqhikiza lethu, I mean my bad. Elizokwazi ukuthi lisichazele kabanzi ngohambo layo, kodwa qala lizosi-introduce. Go girl.
Hi, my name is Nontando Shozi. I'm 26 years old. I live in Folweni, but I go to the camp of Kamakuta under the supervision of Umam Gobes.
So, as you are at an age where you've seen a lot in your life, right? And you've experienced quite a bit, what would you like to say that us young virgins should look out for when it comes to being safe outside?
It's more in the story of, do you believe in yourself? And when you believe in yourself, don't let other people tell you that whatever you believe in yourself is wrong. And also, patience is a virtue. So even though abanye bethu baphuma ngendlela enhle, abanye bethu baphuma ngendlela erayithi, konke kubekela kuwena, you have to be patient. As long as you believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona, because under God there's purity, and under purity there's virginity.
Alright, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Uthinte into ebucayi kakhulu ngoba baningi mina abantu engibaziyo who have lost their virginity because they were like, so what? Uma ngilahla intombi bami, it's not like buzongenzela something in future. And amazwi akho wokuthi under the Lord is purity, and under purity there's virginity. It gives a sense of hope.